As artists, sources of inspiration are just as important as the art of creating. And as an artist who channels my divinity into my art and the practice itself, Three-Eye Atlas, the interstellar object, and all the comments right now, but Three-Eye Atlas in particular, got the closest it will get to the sun yesterday and is causing big solar activity. And the sun is what is helping us as a collective human being species on this earth to ascend. And it's such a gorgeous sunny day. It's a beautiful fall sunny day. So I'm out here. I just got to the trail and I'm gonna gather inspiration from Mother Nature, who breathes for us, and in turn leverage it in my mission, my sustainability of my art, my practice, and breathe. And I'm bringing you with me to breathe too. I am here, and this park is on an island around the river, so I'm gonna explore. This is a fairly new park. I've actually never been on here before. Looks like the Sexpa Island Loop, 1.5 miles, perfect. It's such a beautiful day. I'm so grateful to be out here today. And the sun's out, supercharged. With the wind and the leaves. The veil is thin today. It's October 30th. And I used to live out here in this little native land, island area. My dog's buried out here, my dear dog. Let's see, nature play area. Let's see what that's all about. And I know she's walking with me out here today. I was actually just thinking about her, and then all of a sudden I heard some dogs barking. Yes, the river's full. We got some rain lately, which has been crucial. The island. Gorgeous, gorgeous day here in North Carolina on this earth. I love this river so much. My dog's buried by this river. Being by water right now is very important. The sound of the river, sunshine, the leaves subtly turning for autumn. Walking slowly, breathing, feeling the sun. This is why we're here. Everything is happening in perfect timing. I've worked many jobs and have worked my ass off around this time of year many a time. Then when I started being able to take time off from work, I'd always hope that I could save some PTO for this time of year right here, in hopes that the rest of the year wouldn't make me need to use it sooner due to the exhaustion of dealing with people. And when I took the leap of faith to leave my corporate job back in the summer of 2024, I was on a mission to build my own life where I can go out and walk around and hug a tree whenever I want and need to. Which is why I've been diving into content creation and really figuring out the avenue that aligns with who I am. And as the world becomes uncertain, I've been applying to a lot of jobs to have some sort of 3D stability, applying to jobs that I feel like I would still be able to feel like a human being. And the job market right now is really tough. And thank God I still have savings. I'm still not desperate. I'm still abundant in this time. I can take this time for myself and for the earth, for the world, for humanity. And I dove into learning about oneness and how we're all connected here on this earth probably about 15 years ago now. And I know in my heart that I'm one of the humans that are here to help usher in this new earth where we can live and thrive as human beings. And so I'm allowing God and the angels, my guides, all forces, all realms, to help me relax and breathe so I can show up right now for humanity and for the earth, Mother Earth, who gives us literally everything that we need. And this is why I'm so adamant about slow fashion and upcycling and reuse, rescue material, because she breathes for us and we can do so much better. Wow. This is a nice part of the trail. Check this out. That's the Haw River, which was named by the Sispaha Native Americans. Haw means river in their native language, and Saxapaha is of the river. It's a beautiful place. This sun is supercharged for real. I think it's important to do more vlog style content on here so you can get to know me as a human and the root of my sustainability mission, and so that you have like a deeper sense of why I create the art that I create. I think I love watching people making slow fashion and using found materials and like DIY whatnot, but very few of the channels I see have a personal component to them. And I feel like in this age of AI, which I truly believe is here to help us evolve as humans, help us automate processes that human beings really aren't made to do, so that we can be out in nature and be more free and create. With the AI presence comes the opportunity for us to get to the heart of our humanity more and shed this robotic human mentality. Hello. Aw. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hey, you're beautiful. Hey, it's okay. Aw. I was hoping to see a dog. Here's the other side of the island. Our land used to be, well, it still is for the new people that own it, but the other side of this island was the land on the farm I lived on, and that's where my dog's buried. Her name is Scout. And it's technically private property now, but I went over there because her grave's there, and they named the trail Red Dog Trail. After her. So, Red Dog Trail is right there. And it's a trail named after my dog. We would walk on the trail on 11 acres every morning. I hope to have another dog again someday. Especially another dog as good as Scout. Yeehaw. This is the other side of the island, and I used to live right up there. Ooh, that's cool. Check this out. It's a fish. The river's still pretty low, but it's not as low as I had seen it the last time I came out here. And it flows. It just continues to flow. The power of flow, man. Flowing. I'm grateful to flow. Whoa, look at this tree. This tree is flowing, that's for sure. My mission here in these next couple months is to ground and release, and in this slow season, pronounced slow hiring season for typical jobs, I'm going to be grateful and relish in the freedom that I have right now and continue creating in ways that feel good and going outside in the sunshine whenever I need to or want to. And know that every single action I'm taking is to help with the ascension of this earth. And I'm grateful that you're here. Thanks for walking with me. Leave a comment if you feel called. I love to connect with engaged and kindred people, starseeds, lightworkers, empaths, all y'all, all of us.